Ça va? Je m'appelle Matthias. Je suis originaire d'Angola. I'm engineer, but currently working as a teacher. E gosto muito de ler. Hello people, Mr. Matthias talking to you. In this video, I'ma show you 3 languages in just one video. I'ma show you how you can introduce yourself in 3 languages: French, English, and Portuguese. For those ones that are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and to press the like button so you can get more content like this. Let's get the ball rolling. So we will start with French and then we will go to English and we will end up with Portuguese. So pay attention, and I just want you to get the most of this video. Let's go. Ça va? Je m'appelle Matthias. Je suis originaire d'Angola. Je suis ingénieur, mais je travaille actuellement comme enseignant. Je suis créateur de contenu ici sur YouTube et j'aime vraiment lire. Merci beaucoup. Hello, my name is Matthias. I'm from Angola. I'm an engineer, but currently working as a teacher. I'm a content creator here on YouTube and I really like reading. Thank you. Olá. Meu nome é Matthias, sou angolano, sou engenheiro, mas atualmente trabalho como professor, sou criador de conteúdo aqui no YouTube e gosto muito de ler. Obrigado.